Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Genshin Impact error code 4201 on your Android devices. So if you wanted to fix this error, as we know that the 420 is an internet connection issue, so what you have to do is just have to change your Wi-Fi. This is the first step what I would like to give you out, that you just have to change your Wi-Fi and try with another Wi-Fi. Or if you're having a mobile data pack, you can try with the mobile data pack and make sure you're having enough amount of data. And most probably you have to try with another connection. This is the simplest solution which I would like to give you guys. And the next solution is all about you just have to do a normal restart. You just have to do a normal restart. By doing the restart, most probably the issue has to be fixed on your Android devices. So these are the two steps which you have to try out to fix the issue 4201 on Genshin Impact, and these are the two steps what you have to try, and most probably by doing this the issue will be completely fixed. And also try for a Play Store. You just have to go to the Play Store and try for an update also, and most probably that can also be done because in some cases in a users has mentioned about in the Reddit that by doing an update his problem has completely fixed up. So you can just go for an update and see whether the issue is solved or not. If you are in the latest version, just go for it. So these are the three methods I would like to give you for to fix Genshin Impact error code 4201, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.